Hello, dear viewers. Today we are going to get acquainted with Studocu, an educational platform that provides students with access to an extensive database of educational materials. Studocu is an online platform designed to share learning materials between students around the world. Here you will find over 35 million learning resources, including lecture notes, textbooks, and sample exam papers. The platform reaches more than 115,000 institutions in over 100 countries and attracts around 60 million monthly users. On the homepage, Studocu offers users the option to register or log in to access the best learning content. Once logged in, you can add your courses and books to your personal library, create study lists, and use features like AI Notes and Ask AI to enhance your learning experience. Pros: extensive database, more than 35 million study materials, so you can find information on almost any subject. Global community, support for more than 115,000 institutions around the world, facilitates knowledge sharing between students in different countries. Interactive features, tools like AI Notes and Ask AI help organize and optimize the learning experience. Cons: quality of materials. Because content is uploaded by users, the quality of some documents may vary. Limited access without a subscription. Full access to some content may require a premium subscription. Studocu offers two types of subscriptions: quarterly and annual. The cost of a premium subscription depends on your location and local currency. For up-to-date pricing for your country, log into your account and visit the payment page. Once you purchase a subscription, you will receive full premium access for the selected period. Overall, Studocu is a useful resource for students looking to improve their knowledge and share learning materials with others. However, it is recommended that you carefully evaluate the quality of the documents you download and consider the need for a subscription for full access to the content. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.